church center guy. Father will be
my Nigeria people don't bring no bonga bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son to the website. It just happened. Plenty Nigerians don't come they provoke the verse for this mama of this baby. We go carry in baby go do microblading for this celebration period. As I come they talk, say make government make their pull law. We go they punish parents. We go try all this kind of thing say because this thing not good at all for small picking. Say the Calabar Police Command arrest one Mr. Bala Ali, 26 years old, say because he go for snack because of 10 years old girl for inside Buso local government area. And on Wednesday, 1st of January 2025, now Ali you come out come they threaten the small girl. Say if he here say the small girl tell anybody, say go utilize her. Mr. Peter Obi don't come the yarn say they very hard to do for opposition party for inside Nigeria. Say because people where you know before wait there for ruling party say they go see you for road, they're not going even greet you, even to do business with you, they're not going to do business with you. I think on the yarn say no waiting him and the family members that they see you and people not go believe you. Say with all those things we say in the face, so you go still stand gidigba, still they visit different people them around the country.
What I go through, what my family go through, you wouldn't even believe I will still be standing and going around this country. But I've made up my mind that if this is the end, so be it. It is difficult to be in opposition in this country. Extremely difficult. Because everything is against you. People don't even want to see you. They don't even want to talk to you. I see colleagues that greet them at the airport, they don't even want to reply because they feel they don't want the government of the day to see you or see them greeting you.
27 years old woman one name be Fatima Zuma. They don't arrest her because she could buy her 25 years old husband will be Baba Aliyu for inside Laughing Yaji Wafu village for Kacha local government area inside Niger State. And this began happen after we two of them quarrel come fight themselves. This French citizen man where Air France plane they drop him for inside Abuja airport to say because the man they misbehave for inside plane as they not hungry take carry him. As the staff of Nigeria airport to come they try to calm the man down. Now so the man not grill, come they misbehave, come they behave like person we get score for head. But later the French embassy staff don't come go lodge him for inside one hotel we did for airport terminal. Before they come talk, say they go later come make arrangement to fly him. They go back France.
Hello? See what he's doing? Throwing papers all over the place. See? Hold him. I don't know. You see the situation I'm telling you. Under this circumstance, how do we handle it? Eh? See the situation where your mind is like he has a mental problem. Mentally.
This jealous husband don't come chook one bishop take utilize and the bishop now get the Church of Rapture Empowerment International where they for inside Oshogbo. The man named na Dr. Shina or Larry Bigbe. As in talk saying they suspect say the man they knack and wife quick and the bishop will be Dr. Shina. They try they settle the quarrel where they between the husband and wife. We make two of them come they stay for different apartments. But the way say the bishop can't go visit the woman for inside house. Now so the husband can't trace him. Go reach where the woman house there. Now so he can't attack the bishop. Can't choke the bishop. They utilize. Nigerians they don't call out the Inspector General of Calabar Police is making touchlight into this matter after we they see this Nigeria Calabar police officers and where they stand along that Benin Asaba highway. As I come to talk, say the police officers they search this man. As they search the man, come check in wallet, come see say the man get some dollars for them. And so they come to follow the man. They drag in wallet, one try, one collect the dollar, but the man not hungry. And so they come to rough handle the man, come they assault the man, they beat the man anyhow. And this began happen on December 31st, 2024. This lady will be hair vendor where they sell hair where her name be Choma Ikoku don't call for help as she come they call her the Lagos State government after with some of their men come scatter the building where she they use as their office. Now so she can go bring one big van to pack out all our properties they come out from inside the building before the Lagos State workers they go scatter the building. But now so the Lagos State workers are not hungry. make she comot her property wey make gbege come dey happen for them.
So guys, these people claiming to be Lagos State, you've come, they started demolishing our property. I said to them, okay, no problem. We put everything up here, from the containers to every single thing that is in here. We will take out our things by ourselves. We got a truck. We started doing that. We're moving all our stuff as agreed. No problem. You've destroyed things. You've demolished, embarrassed us in front of our clients. No problem. Now we're moving our stuff out. Why are you still coming and stopping us from moving, using policemen and all sorts of things to intimidate us? I don't understand. Why? And you're claiming Lagos State. Who the hell would do this from Lagos State? Somebody get Sanwo-Olu on the line because he needs to...
Oh, no. Oh, no, fuck you not. No, the fuck you not.
He's working for somebody.
He's working for somebody. He works for somebody. What's your problem? Leave him alone.
They don't arrest this Catholic priest wey be Reverend Father Joseph Enyenaya for inside Imo State after when he shoot one teenage boy take brutalize say because the boy go through away knockout to take put for inside church, and this kasala happened on January 1st, 2025 during the New Year celebration.
A church center guy, Father Babuli mmadụ onye gbaga knockout, Father were cartridge gbawa the boy brain o. The church agbasala emege hụ mass na everywhere empty. Ndị mmadụ alaka elega. Ọsa agbala na St. Columbus o.
Some neighbors don come dey vex dey provoke after one person tiftalize motorcycle okada for inside their compound, and so they go call person wey go use juju to know who wey tiftalize the okada. As the man come carry Bible, come use rope take tie am, they put two fingers them on top, come they tell the Bible make it rotate. They ask the Bible question so they go feel know who tiftalize the okada.
If person wey man conspire with Jay in this compound, make the Bible turn. If na survive that the person dey, make the Bible turn. It's okay. Turn back.
The young American singer will be Rihanna don come show as she take enter New Year, as she come talk, come dey happy dey celebrate to say throughout last year 2024, say she not drink at all.
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Y'all, I didn't drink all year.
Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.